Yeah, never thought a nigga fall in love like this. Never thought a nigga fall in love like this. Never thought a nigga fall in love like this. Never thought a nigga fall in love like this.
Shut up, dog. I'm trying to do it.
Look, y'all. We jumped right into it. Danny is doing Baby Am I Here for the first time.
Stop.
And y'all get to see it. As you can see, she don't like getting her hair done.
Yeah, she don't want to get her hair did.
Danny do not know how to do a ponytail.
I do know how to do it.
She not a boy, so don't put it way in the back.
I know what I'm doing. I'm just getting my little curls combed up, so when
Oh, poor Baby Amaya.
Amaya, dog.
Baby Amaya.
Amaya, dog. I'm just getting you together, dog, because we about to go.
She don't like getting her hair done, y'all. Tell her she better get used to it. She
used to
only
this,
about
dog.
to be one.
Come on, I'm trying to get your little baby hairs right so I can lay them down.
Because mommy don't do a good job. That's to the back.
You want it on the top?
Yes, I do. She's a girl.
Yeah. Well, let's get you on the
And
top.
she got y'all go head, forehead. I'm sorry. Amaya got a big forehead, y'all.
I'm doing it, dog.
Brush that back up. Oh, no, you good.
I know I'm good.
No, you ain't. Look at it messing up.
Okay.
Oh, poor
I'm
girl.
almost done, dog. These little,
Her
got
little.
good hair, dog. You that I love you, dog. I'm not trying to hurt you. I'm trying to make you look pretty for the day. You feel me, dog? All right, let's get you together. We almost done. We almost done, as long as it's in the middle. Let me see. I don't know how many times to tighten it, but squeeze that a little bit. All right, come on. Now we got to do the front. Come on, dog. We got to do your little edges. Come on, dog. I did good so far, look like. I don't want her edges pop. I'm trying to pop these things, you hear? Oh, Maya. Your daddy trying to make you look good, dog. I messed up. She moving. Almost popped it, dog. Look. Look. Let me let that hang a little bit. We gotta do this side. Don't move, dog. We gotta get this one to hang and pop. You feel me? There we go, dog. The finishing touch. Oh, let me get this one right because you rubbed it. There you go. Uh-oh. How I do, y'all? How I do for the first time?
You can fix them edge.
The edges ain't right. The edges good. Is the edges good for my first time? Y'all comment down below. She crying the whole time. Give you that test.
She got an old lady ponytail.
What she done? She got a rough one. Why you hating?
Now with that gel, it look like it's gel down. Gel to the side.
But it ain't no gel in it, so that's the good thing about it. You feel me? Natural.
Y'all comment
natural
out. You
hair,
did
dog.
good though. I just don't like the baby hair like that.
Well, you gotta fix it then. It's right. She rocking this all day, ain't you, dog? Did you that test? I did you hair.
Y'all have witnessed
Greatness.
his first time doing Baby Am I Here.
Ever.
Yep, ever.
Model for him, baby, dog. I did it better than what you do. Look at that, y'all. No hair out. You feel me?
No, when I do her hair, it be no hair out. But once she lay on it and get the moving around and all the extra, that's when
There still ain't gonna be no hair out. We gonna see it. Hey, y'all, look at her hair now. Look at her hair now, huh? Do what? Hey, you got to vlog? Here, go talk to Kendall. Yeah. Look at Mama Kathy.
Hey y'all, it's Mama Kathy. Pay me no attention.
What else y'all taking up there?
Catch me in pajamas this.
Alright, let me get Nisha this. What you doing, remember? Say what up.
And Monica over here, he
It's
was.
dark.
You don't know where you're now.
Here.
So what?
Here. What up, Monica?
Hey everybody.
Good looking. What's cooking?
What's cooking?
Tell them what up, though. Look at Monica. What you in there doing? Scratching off tickets?
Yes.
You ain't winning nothing, though.
Don't jinx me yet.
You winning, though?
No, not yet.
Tell them all what's up though, cause they love you on there. Talk to them for a minute. Tell them a little bit about yourself.
How about myself?
Yeah.
Tell them how I
You got the glasses on with the little shower cap. You hear? Go ahead, talk to them though. They love you on
tell
there.
them how I stepped in some poop
Stepped in some poop.
and I slipped and fell
What happened?
the other day.
For real?
Yeah, when I walked in the house, we were on my phone.
What is this? This bug flying around?
And then I turned up my flashlight on my phone, and the damn dog was resting in my bed.
What dog? You got a dog?
Until
Oh, over there? That happened over there?
Yeah,
Oh, that's crazy.
I was really pissed off.
I know you saw you heard Kendall talking about he stabbed in some doo-doo and he slipped and fell.
And I told her I was gonna cook that bitch on the grill.
He was gonna cook the dog on the grill?
Yeah, I was mad.
Yeah, it's a little anyway, and a little chihuahua.
Yeah.
Make a little steak on there out of the chihuahua.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, y'all, this is Monica right here, y'all. That y'all been asking to see her.
Oh, y'all have?
Yeah, they said you should make your own channel and everything.
Well, I don't have time for that right now.
What you doing? You sitting there scratching off lottery tickets? You can be recording that, putting it up. Like, I'm scratching off these lottery tickets, I ain't winning shit.
Well, I want them to see my true self. This
is your true self.
Say my true self.
We real over here on Dolce World, you hear?
When I'm dazzled up.
When I'm dazzled eye.
When I get to that point in life.
You look like you sleepy or something.
I'm tired, but I'm not that tired. But
You ain't even scratching tickets no more. You just looking at the old
you got
ones.
this camera in my face.
So you just looking at the old ones. They good luck though. They all gonna say good luck. Everybody say, look what they doing. They fighting. What is y'all doing? Y'all better stop.
They throwing stuff at each other.
Look at they acting up. Now I'm back. Finish telling them. Finish telling them about yourself.
Yeah, I'm soon make me a YouTube account.
Tell them you're looking for your little boyfriend too.
No, I'm not looking for a boyfriend right now.
Monica looking for a little boyfriend, y'all. So anybody out there?
I'm just focusing on myself right now.
No, yeah, that's what's up though. Focus on. It's a little bug that's flying around that just keeps landing on my hand. I don't know what that is.
It likes you.
All right, tell them please we got to get up out of here, y'all, man.
Peace.
See, look at that little bug. Oh, y'all. Casper. This dog named Casper, y'all. Look at his face. What is you doing? What is you doing? What is you doing? That's a little pit bull.
He can't get out.
Yeah.
I let him sit down out here for a minute. He probably needs some air.
Say what up to you
If I go in the
too.
house, they'll open the gate and let him out.
Yeah. No, I won't even let him know. Say what up.
I'm gonna let him stay out here for a minute.
Talk to him. What you was just doing? Eating ice cream?
I'm gonna let him stay out here for a minute.
It was
let
good?
him open the gate needs over there, cause I know they're gonna try to get over. Look, something bit him up.
No, your son probably bit him up.
Bit his back up.
Yeah, y'all look at him. My hair is back. It's messed up now. Say what's up, Nisha? You ain't even talking to him.
Hey y'all, I'm out here itching. These mosquitoes I got me last night. What?
Hey, Maya, say what up to YouTube, Maya. What's up, dog?
Y'all see this? Amaya trying to get all this juice out of a bottle, y'all.
Yeah, so she don't need to be breastfed no more.
No, I've been trying to get her to drink a bottle since she was a baby. But what happened? She ain't want it.
She ain't want it. Look at these two. These two over here fighting. Look at my little niece, y'all. Y'all see my little niece? Say what up to YouTube. Say what up to YouTube. She was just in the house putting a little lip gloss on. Yeah, you high and get up. You see her high, Mirror? You about to go high with her? What is you doing? What is you doing? You can't go high with her.
Move your face.
Want me to do your hair next? Like I did Amaya's? I did. I'll be doing DB dreads. I'll be doing memory hair sometimes.
Man, how you get
Oh, you said you want me to do your hair? All right, do your hair next time. Tell your mommy I'm gonna do your hair. Say what's up to YouTube, Denzel. What up? I was trying to act all nervous and shit, looking just like your mama and shit. Zeke, you mad still? Y'all look, y'all line Zeke up. You feel me? Let me see. Let me show him what I did. I gave him a little line up. You feel me? It need to be brushed. But yeah. What you doing, Amaya, dog? You just chilling? Y'all 10K on the way, y'all. 10K on the way, you feel me? 10K is on the way. Let's get it.
Look at this.
What is that? What you watching?
Look how he hopped on her car. She didn't even hit him.
What was that?
I don't know. If this something going viral. She hit beat the bus window. Watch how she do this. She not even gonna hit him. He gonna jump on her car. Watch.
Why you standing in front of her car anyway? Looking stupid.
Look, he jumped up there.
Yeah.
Look at him. You see how he climbed up
He
there?
just did everything. He was falling and all type of stuff.
Man, it's like she ran him over. That's crazy. Look, she about to throw him off.
Dumbass nigga gonna try to jump on there. Oh my, I'm getting paid today. I'm getting paid. It's almost Christmas. Well, she jumped on the car so she beat the bus. Huh?
I don't know what happened.
No, you watching that movie there.
Look, he's still getting on there.
Yeah, he's still getting on there, yanking up. Yeah. We're doing a reaction video right now.
Well, he's dramatic though. Look how he landed.
This is a reaction video. What? That's still him in front of the car?
Yeah.
Why that nigga ain't moving? She pushing that nigga ain't move. He failed again.
You don't know.
That nigga.
Now see, mommy.
Hold on.
She about to try to skirt off too. Look.
She trying to. I think they got her now. Look how you. Oh, that's on though.
Yeah, got him. That's what he get though. That's what he get.
Look at him.
What, he on the ground still? Oh, she hit him?
She rolled him over that time.
Oh, damn, that's what he get though. He want to fake. That's straight karma.
He hopped on there. She drove over here.
Yeah, y'all, that's instant karma, y'all. Y'all, if y'all like that reaction video, if y'all want to see us do more reaction,
but look at
comment down below.
Look at her. This was she about to beat the bus.
I might care about the bus. Are they that's you turning your phone up? I don't know. Why she beating the bus?
I don't know.
Go. Well, it's dark.
It's dark.
Yeah, I gotta get somewhere. There you go.
Alright, y'all, I just want to tell y'all again because I know I just said it in the last frame, but time is really ticking and we really want to do this giveaway for y'all. And like I said, we only got a few people who's entered in the giveaway. You have to be subscribed, which we know y'all are. But y'all also have to go share a video on our social site, tag one of us in it, or DM it, or inbox it to one of us. However way you can get it to us to be entered in the giveaway, because we want to be fair and we really want y'all to be on it because y'all loyal as ever.
Yeah.
But that's just the rules to it.
Yeah,
We've been telling y'all for months, and now the time is ticking.
Remember, stop screaming.
Stop pushing her, baby. Now the time is ticking. We almost at 10,000.
10,000. You already know what it is. You see how bad they is, y'all. If y'all want to see more videos with the kids, comment down below. Let them know. Comment down below if they want to see more. Comment down below. Let them tell them.
Yeah, y'all comment down below. Let us know what videos y'all want to see. We want to do more with the kids. We want to make our channel more, family friendly, kid friendly, whatever. So give us some ideas to do with the kids. We know y'all want to see pranks and stuff. We still gonna do them for y'all. You getting stuff?
No, I'm not. I'm saying.
We still gonna do them for y'all, but we want to involve the kids now. To take us to the next level for real.
Next level, you feel me? Like everything gonna be clean now.
Yeah. So just
except the pranks.
Yeah.
They gonna be normal. Yeah, baby.
But yeah, y'all. So just give us some advice. You is close.
No, I'm not close. I'm perfect. What, you want me to be way back here?
Give us some advice, y'all. Some videos that we should do with the kids, like making. I don't know. Just give us some ideas.
Just give us some ideas. You already know what it is. Comment down below. Team Dolce in the building.
Comment
yeah, some of that.
Team Nisha, because I know it's a lot of y'all. Stand up.
I see it's a lot of Team Dolce too, y'all. We rocking, y'all. Dolce gang, gang, gang. You already know what it is. Dolce gang.
A mosquito
some of that.
Right here. Don't go on there though. Don't do that. My feet ain't done. Danny's supposed to be doing my feet for my birthday, right?
No, I'm supposed to be doing your feet. I'm supposed to be taking you to get your feet done.
Okay.
They don't try to play me like I do hair and feet.
That's what I mean. Like you get my feet done. Cause these boys is a mess. Y'all
we gotta get about it.
My nails done, y'all. I ain't had my nails done in a long time. And
y'all want to see that vlog when I take Nisha on her well, I ain't gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do yet. Y'all gonna see, but you already know what it is.
Y'all look at my bruises.
Right,
my legs bruised up.
Yeah, I don't know how your legs look ugly like that.
Look at that.
They ain't ugly though.
Bruises everywhere.
I don't know where that came from.
I know they got me good. Told me up.
Get off that.
That was over here last night.
All right, Andy, because we got this phone out of there.
All right, y'all, we out. We hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. If y'all want to see more vlogs, we don't do that. But if y'all just want to see us talking or whatever,
we'll post these a couple times a day. You feel me? Like if y'all want to see like little quick little videos, we'll post these a couple times a day. You feel me? If y'all just want to rock with us and see what we do, be entertained by us, you hear me? Yours truly.
And don't forget to give us some ideas for kid-friendly videos to do, to bring the kids in on the channel more. Cause our kids used to be on the channel a lot, but we got a lot of new people. So yeah, comment down below. We love y'all. Peace.
Peace. What has happened? Did you tell DB to stop pushing?
Come on over here.
And look at her.
Come sit down.
Louisiana shit.